You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. A very good morning, children. In the last class, we have solved some problems in your exercise 5.1. Let us continue that. Here is the fourth problem of your exercise 5.1. L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCA. Here is our figure. In this figure, they given that this line L is parallel to M. Means these two lines are parallel to each other. Likewise, this P and Q are also parallel to each other. They given that. By taking this much of information, you have to show that triangle ABC, this triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCA. Okay. So let us take these two triangles and let us show these two triangles are congruent to each other. For that we have to use one of the congruency rule, isn't it? So let us check which congruency rule will help us. Okay. First, they given that this P and Q are the two parallel lines. So AC is a transversal, isn't it? This is the line which intersected these two parallel lines at two different points A and C. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯೂ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅದು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಅನ್ನ ಪಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ವರ್ಸಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. ಸೊ you know that if two parallel lines are intersected by the transversal, then yes, alternate angles are equal. Here angle BAC and angle ACD are the two alternate angles, isn't it? So they are equal. Let us write that angle BAC is equal to angle DCA, since these two angles are alternate angles. Likewise, they given that this L is parallel to M. So these two lines are parallel lines. At that time, the same AC will become the transversal. So the alternate angles, that is angle DAC and angle ACB were equal. So we can write that angle BCA is equal to angle DAC. Take that as equation number 2. Now we proved that two pairs of angles were equal in these two triangles. So let us take these two triangles now. That is triangle ABC and triangle ACD. In these two triangles, angle BAC is equal to angle ACD, isn't it? From 1, this equation 1, we proved that angle BAC is equal to angle DCA. Likewise, this AC is common to both these triangles. This is the common side AC. So AC is equal to AC. And also we proved that this angle BCA is equal to angle DCA. So let us take that also. Angle BCA is equal to angle DAC from 2. So from this information, so you came to know that according to angle side angle means A is a congruency rule. We can say that these two triangles were congruent to each other, isn't it? In these two triangles, ಈ ಎರಡು triangles ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡು pair angles equal ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ by ASA congruency rule we can say that these two triangles were congruent to each other. So in this problem they asked to show that these two triangles were congruent and we proved it. Are you understood, children? Let us move on to the fifth problem in our exercise and here it is, that is line L is the bisector of an angle A and B is any point on I. Here is the figure. The line L is the bisector of angle A and angle B. You know that bisector means the line which divides these angles equally. So if this L is the bisector of this angle A, then it divides this angle A equally and also angle B equally. Obviously, these two angles, that is angle QBA and angle ABP will become equal, and angle QAB and angle BAP will become equal. Now, also they given that this BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of LA. So this BP and BQ, these two are the perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. Yes, these AP and AQ are the arms of this angle A. BP and BQ are the perpendiculars to these arms. Perpendicular means, yes, which makes an angle of 90 degrees, isn't it? So this BQ and BP will going to make 90 degree with these arms of angle A, that is AQ and AP. So angle BPA is equal to angle BQA is equal to 90 degree. So here you are observing two triangles. In these two triangles, these two angles will become equal, and these two angles, that is angle QAB and angle QAP also become equal, and likewise QBA and PBA will become equal, and you know that AB is common to both, isn't it? So AB will also be equal. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other, isn't it, children? It is so simple. Now in the second option we have to show that BP is equal to BQ. Yes, you already know that this BP and BQ are the corresponding part. If these two triangles, we proved, no, these two triangles are congruent to each other. So these BP and BQ are the corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So these two are also equal. ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದೆರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ this QAB is equal to PAB, since L is the bisector of this angle A, and also angle Q is equal to angle P is equal to 90 degree. You know that they given that BQ and BP are the perpendiculars to the arms AQ and AP, and ABQ is equal to ABP. Yes, according to angle sum property, or otherwise you know that angle L is the bisector of angle A and angle B also. Now take these two triangles, that is angle APB and triangle APB and triangle ABQ. In these two triangles we already proved that ABP is equal to ABQ. Yes, this ABP is equal to angle ABQ, and also AB is common to both these triangles, common side to both these triangles. So AB is equal to AB. Likewise PAB is equal to BAQ, that is they given since L is the bisector of this angle A. So according to ASA congruency rule, these two triangles will become congruent to each other. As you know, these two sides are the corresponding parts of these two congruent triangles, that is BP and BQ, and that is also equal by CPCT. So we proved this problem. Are you understood, children? Let us move on to the next problem, that is, so Sixth one, in the figure AC is equal to AE. Yes, here it is the figure. In this figure, this AC is equal to AD and angle BAD. Yes, this is this angle. Angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. Yes, these two angles will equal. They given that. You have to show that this BC is equal to DE. Are you understood? So this BC, so you have to show that this BC is equal to DE. For that we have to take these two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle ADE. Since we have to prove that this BC and DE will equal, so we have to take this triangle ABC and triangle ADE, and we have to prove that these two triangles were congruent, and by using that congruency rule we can say that the corresponding part of these two triangles will become equal. So this BC and DE becomes the corresponding part of these two congruency triangles, and we can easily say that at that time BC is equal to DE. ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ADE ಅನ್ನ ಕಾನ್ಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ BC ಮತ್ತೆ DE ಅನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಕೊಂಡು BC is equal to DE ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೀಗ ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC will congruent to triangle ADE anta. For that we have to take these two triangles and use one of the congruency rule. Let us check which is the congruency rule that we can use here to prove these two triangles are congruent to each other. Here first they given that angle BAD is equal to angle DAE. Let us take that angle BAD is equal to angle CAE. Yes, here I have taken angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. Now add angle DAC on both the sides. Yes, here angle DAC is common to these two triangles, that is angle BAC and angle DAE. So let us add this angle, that is angle DAC on both these sides. Yes, it becomes angle BAD plus angle DAC is equal to angle EAC plus again angle DAC. Yes, you know that angle BAD plus angle DAC means, yes, if we add these two angles, that is angle BAD, this angle, and angle DAC, that is this angle. If we add these two angles, yes, can we write this angle as angle BAC? Yes, we can write the sum of these two angles as angle BAC. Let us write that angle BAC is equal to, likewise, angle EAC plus angle DAC means the sum of these two angles, that is angle, will become angle DAE. So we can write this equation as angle BAC is equal to angle DAE. So in these two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle ADE, one pair of angle will become equal. Now let us take these two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle ADE. In these two triangles, angle BAC is equal to angle DE, since we proved this, and AB is equal to AD, they given that. Likewise, this AC is equal to AE. Observe here, AB is the side of this triangle ABC and AD is the side of one of the side of this triangle ADE. Likewise, AC is equal to AE and AC is the side of this triangle ABC and AE is the side of triangle ADE. So, according to SAS congruency rule, these two triangles were congruent to each other, isn't it? Are you understood? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ಆ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಉಂಟಾದಂತಹ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ SAS ಕಾನ್ಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸಿ ರೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಾನ್ಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಹೌದು, ಎರಡು ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅದರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ BC ಮತ್ತೆ DE ಕೂಡ ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ BC is equal to DE by CPCT. Here we have to prove that, yes, we should show that, they asked to show that these two sides were equal and we proved here. I hope you understood, children. Let us move on to our next problem, that is 7th one. So by this I have completed first 6 problems in our exercise 5.1. 2 problems were left for you that you should solve that. Okay children, thank you.